Someone texted me just now and asked, if you are cash tight, how can you still able to get sales? Is there any way that I can get sales without spending a lot of money on ads budget? And my answer to you, yes. There are many organic methods you can try. I think one of the most simplest way is you can add friends on a daily basis. Like you can add 20 to 30 friends on LinkedIn and on Facebook on a daily basis. And once they approve you as their friends, this is a very crucial part, which is you don't go and prior message them and just sell them your thing. It's so annoying, and people don't like being hard sales because they don't know who are you. So what I recommend is that you remain them as friends, because they are friends that actually they know your circles. I mean, they know what you're doing and all these things. So what you do is that you can do on a daily basis on actually how you can share your expertise, or whether it's your product or your service or your programs. You just share bit by bit on a daily basis to start generate some awareness. They might not buy your idea at the very beginning. It might take time, but this is the only way that actually you can start building relationship, by getting the awareness. Like for example, if you do it on a daily basis, if you do daily sharing on a daily basis, and every time they open their LinkedIn or Facebook, right, and they keep seeing your face appear, and somehow someday they will start to listen to what you say, and that moment is the moment they will start to they want to find out more about you, and then they will start to look at your profile, they will start to look at your website, your marketing page, or whatsoever. So these are the crucial part that this is time, that there's the only way that actually you can get sales without spending budget. But this actually takes a lot of effort, because the world is always very fair, which is if you want convenience, you have to spend money to buy convenience, right? If the other way around is that you're willing to put in the hard work, then actually you can save the money. So if you ask me if I'm cash tight, this is the way that actually I will go, because I know that if I just be consistent to do it on a daily basis, and in fact actually we've done it before, that's why the reason why I say it works, and from there then you'll be able to generate the sales, slowly, bit by bit, for your service. Now I hope this video gives you some steps actually what you can do next. And if you find this video resonate with you, and if you know that their friends actually need this and why so much, help us to share with your friends. Together we can help more people. And last thing, please help to subscribe to my channels. Click the subscribe button or click the like buttons. And I hope to see you in the next video.